Today we are going to be creating our three-dimensional forms to create our monster cities. The very first thing that you want to do once you get your template is put your name on this tab here or this tab here. These are going to be the bottom of your building. Once you have your name on your building, what you are going to want to do, we've been talking a lot about value and shading. So you want to figure out your light source, how you're going to shade this using some colored pencils. And in order to do that, you may want to cut this out first to build your building and kind of figure that out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut mine out. Once you get your building completely cut out, what you are going to want to do is fold along these very light lines. You might not be able to see them here, but they're really light lines right there, right here. And I want to fold all of my lines to kind of get a feel for what my form is going to look like. So what I'm doing is I'm finding that line, that lighter line, and I'm creasing on that line there. I'm going to do that with all of my tabs. And then I want to do that with all of these sides. Eventually what's going to happen is this is going to be, let's say, the front, and this other bigger part's going to be the back. These two smaller pieces are going to be the sides, and this tab here is what's going to join it all together. So now I've made all of those creases and folds. So my building wants to kind of start to come together. For this part, I don't want to glue it just yet because I'm still going to draw on it and color it in, but so that I can get an idea of what side is going to be where, I'm going to kind of just start folding it up. Tucking these two smaller tabs down, and then these two larger tabs want to close in over each other. So this is going to be the bottom of my building. So now looking at my building, again, it's only temporarily together. And I'm figuring out, looking at all the sides, if this is going to be the bottom of my box. And I'm going to say this part's going to be the front. You may even go ahead and label that very lightly with your pencil. Almost so light that you can't even see it, because you want to be able to go back and erase this. That would make this one the back. This would be the right side. So I'm just going to put R. This is going to be the left side. So I'm going to put L. And then remember, where your name, the tabs that your name is on are going to be the bottom of your building. So that makes these two larger tabs the very top. You can put T or write top on there very lightly, or just know that because your names are on these ones, these two are going to be the top.